Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I share easy and delicious recipes for busy people. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy watermelon salad that is perfect for summer. This salad is refreshing, nutritious, and full of flavor. It's also super easy to make, and you only need a few ingredients. So, if you're looking for a simple and satisfying dish to enjoy on a hot day, this is the one for you. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And now, let's get into the recipe. To make this healthy watermelon salad, you will need a seedless watermelon, a cucumber, an avocado, some fresh mint leaves, some honey, some lime juice, some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and some feta cheese. The first thing you want to do is cut the watermelon into bite-sized pieces. You can use a knife or a melon baller to do this. I like to use a melon baller because it makes the salad look more elegant and fun. Plus, it's easier and faster than cutting with a knife. Just scoop out the watermelon flesh and place it in a large bowl or platter. Next, you want to peel and chop the cucumber and add it to the watermelon. The cucumber adds a nice crunch and freshness to the salad. You can also use a melon baller to scoop out the cucumber flesh if you want to match the shape of the watermelon balls. Then, you want to cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and dice the flesh. The avocado adds a creamy and buttery texture to the salad, as well as some healthy fats and fiber. To dice the avocado, you can use a knife or a spoon. I like to use a spoon because it's easier and safer than cutting with a knife. Just scoop out the avocado flesh and add it to the watermelon and cucumber mixture. Toss gently to combine. Now, it's time to chop some fresh mint leaves and sprinkle them over the salad. Mint adds a refreshing flavor and aroma to the salad, as well as some antioxidants and vitamins. You can use as much or as little mint as you like, depending on your preference. Next, you want to make the dressing for the salad. In a small bowl, whisk together some honey, lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. This is a simple dressing that enhances the sweetness of the watermelon and the creaminess of the avocado. It also adds some acidity and brightness to balance out the flavors. You can adjust the amount of honey, lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper according to your taste. Finally, drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat. You can also refrigerate the salad for an hour or so to let the flavors melt. Before serving, crumble some feta cheese over the salad. Feta adds a salty and tangy contrast to the salad, as well as some protein and calcium. You can also use goat cheese or vegan cheese if you prefer. And that's it. Your healthy watermelon salad is ready to enjoy. You can also use goat cheese or vegan cheese if you prefer. And that's it. Your healthy watermelon salad is ready to enjoy. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know if you try this recipe and how it turns out for you. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.